Lead generation ads. Lead generation ads collect lead information from people interested in your business via Facebook and Instagram ads. So at the new campaign level, under Campaign Objective, select Lead Generation. After selecting Lead at the campaign objective, at the ad set level, you will first be prompted to select your Facebook page to link your leads with, and you will have to accept the Facebook lead ad terms of service. After setting your ad set targeting and building your ad creative, you will then have to create your lead form. This is the form that will collect your lead information. Lead generation ads enable you to capture leads natively. This means the users don't have to leave Facebook or Instagram to input their information into this form. You simply capture the lead's information via this form you create at the ad level. You have the option to choose a past form you created, to duplicate a past form, or third, create a new lead form. Let's click that button, Create Form. A pop-up will appear here at the ad level. First, name your form. This is for easy identification, in your lead center later, and for linking with your CRM. Next, select your form type. Higher intent requires one more confirmation step, but we see much cheaper leads using the more volume option. Next, click that Settings tab at the top. Set the sharing option to open. You want to enable users to share this ad with a relevant friend, for example. So click back to that Content tab and then click the Intro section below. The Intro section should be an extension of your ad creative and ad copy. So your ad will grab the user's attention, then this lead form will expand on your ad's content and further display your value proposition, i.e., why should they give you their email? So this includes headlines, bullet points, an image. We see better results from using the list option versus paragraph. We can simply list our main benefits, bullet point by bullet point, to further make the user want to input their info into this lead form. Use a 1200 by 628 pixel image that is similar to your ad creative. We see users abandoning the lead form if the image or copywriting really differs a lot from the ad. You want these two to be very similar, basically just a continuation of the ad itself. Next, click the Question section, right below the Intro section we were in. Give the user one final call to action to get them to submit their contact info. So this example, submit your info to claim that final call to action, that final value prop. Maybe it's a free ebook or a free course. Tell them what they get for giving their email and full name. Email and full name are our most common questions we include for our clients' ads, as we get more leads with the fewer questions we ask. You can delete or rearrange the questions, order as you wish. To collect more info and collect higher quality leads, i.e., users willing to give up more info, you can add more questions, whether that's multiple choice, short answer, and so on. We like testing the short answer option to collect unique details about our users. But remember, adding more questions does equal more qualified leads and higher quality leads, but this also increases your cost per lead. Next, click the Privacy section. If your website CMS is WordPress, simply install the free plugin WP Auto Terms to create a terms of service and a privacy policy page on your website. Now, to have your own custom terms and privacy policy pages drafted for your website, we highly suggest, to prevent future legal issues, you hire an internet lawyer to draft these for you. Or you can use a service like LegalZoom. So paste in your privacy policy URL that is hosted on your own website, such as CourseEnvy.com/privacy. Finally, click the Completion section, the final area to fill out for this form. This is where you can thank the user and provide them with a link to your value proposition or further information. Typically, users miss this button. They submitted their info and then they just close out. So, I will follow up with them via an email right away. including that value proposition, such as an ebook. So let's look at an example. This link will be a link to that free ebook the user just claimed. So I host the PDF on my website and I just paste that link in there. But in case they missed this button, we will also use an automation email sequence via our ConvertKit email platform to automatically email this free ebook link to this new user as well. So I'm using both to ensure this person gets that free ebook. Plus, it's 2 touch points. They click to see it on your website, and then, they see it's in their email inbox. This company's really on top of things. So once everything is filled out, just click that publish button to save this lead form. So make sure this lead form's selected, and then publish your lead generation ad. A pro tip, split test ad sets and ads for these lead generation ads. So you can split test your audience targeting, you can split test your ad creative, your ad copy. Just look at this screenshot difference in our cost per lead by simply tweaking our ad creative, a video versus a photo. We dropped from $5.46 all the way down to 61 cents. Make sure to use Facebook Ad Library for ad inspiration. The brand ClickFunnels creates amazing lead generation ads you can review. So that's facebook.com/ads/library. We see a great return on ad spend using lead generation ads to give away something, such as a free ebook. Create an ebook in your niche that is relevant to the user who you could eventually upsell with your product or service. Ebooks are a perfect lead magnet, i.e., capturing an email in exchange for something free. So sell the value of your book via your ad. Split test sharing exact results and numbers. For example, here's an ad copy I'd use. Download the best-selling book for free. Over 100,000 small business owners have used this book to grow their business using online ads like this one. Learn all the tips, tricks, and secrets CourseEnvy used to scale businesses inside their ad agency. So there's some numbers that really stand out there. There's some all caps, free, best-selling, grow. And then for the headline for this ad, I'd use free 150 pages of strategies to grow your biz. And then I could use a call to action button like learn more or download. We see the best return on ad spend from using videos for our ad creative in the square format. So a common question I get, should you send people to a lead capture landing page on your website? Make sure to click this link if you want to learn more about that. Or just capture leads right on Facebook via lead generation ads. So it's 2 different things that does the exact same thing. My reply is always the same. Split test to see what works for your niche. But that said, people are on Facebook or Instagram for a reason. They don't want to be interrupted from their social media experience and go off site to your lead capture landing page. This is why I love the native aspect of lead generation campaigns. It keeps people on the platform they were on. The lead form is native to that platform. For our CourseEnvy clients, 9 out of 10 times our lead generation objective campaigns perform better and get more leads at a lower cost than our conversion objective campaigns driving users to a landing page to capture that lead does. While the conversion objective with a lead conversion event may produce a more high quality lead, it's going to cost a lot more. So again, split test for yourself. Another great thing about Facebook lead generation ads is that Facebook autofills the name and email address for you. This makes it really easy for people to sign up for whatever you are offering with just a couple clicks. So what are the lead generation ad disadvantages? No direct website traffic. Since you're not sending people to the landing page on your website, you're not collecting Facebook pixel traffic for these lead generation campaigns. Without traffic to your website, you will not be able to build custom audiences to retarget later with Facebook ads or create lookalikes of. Lead generation ads typically result in lower quality leads. Most advertisers just request name and email address. For my Facebook lead generation ads, such as a lawyer I collect leads for that's a client, I like to also collect the person's phone number. By doing this, you are going to weed out the unserious people and increase the quality of your lead by adding this extra field or extra step. But this will also increase your cost per lead, as more people will abandon your form. So how to retrieve leads on Facebook? Leads from your lead generation campaigns can be downloaded from a few areas. First, your ads manager, under your lead generation campaign at the ad level. Second, on your Facebook page, under your lead center, facebook.com/your page username/leads_center. And finally, you can connect your CRM to your lead generation campaign. So first, retrieve ads via Ads Manager. You can go directly to your Facebook Ads Manager, and under the results column at the ad level, just click the On Facebook Leads hyperlink to download the .csv file for that specific ad. This pop-up will appear on that ads level, and you'll have the option to use the lead center, download by date range, or download all the new leads. So now let's go look at this in the lead center. So again, facebook.com/your page username/leads_center. Click this down arrow to download all your leads. The lead center can truly act as your sales manager tool. You can assign employees to manage each lead. You can add notes to each individual lead. You can change the stage the lead is in, such as in progress or converted. And you can schedule reminders, such as notify yourself to follow up with this lead via a call in 1 week's time, and then you'll be notified via Facebook. You can also filter your leads by various metrics. We like to filter the users by the campaign we captured them from. Then you can download just portions of these as you add more and more filters. You can also create audiences of these leads via the Audience Tools drop-down menu in the top. Finally, we can retrieve leads by connecting them to our CRM. Leads are only available for 90 days after the user submits their info. So make sure to download your leads. I suggest daily, so you can contact the leads while they're still warm and remember your brand or offer. You don't want to let the leads go stale or for them to forget about what they signed up for, so use these leads as soon as possible. You're paying for them. Even better than manually downloading leads is connecting your CRM or email marketing platform, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber. You can connect this directly to your Facebook page or Facebook lead generation ad. By doing this, your CRM can add leads instantly to your email list, which makes it easier for you to contact potential customers quickly and automatically. Most email platforms offer the creation of automation emails. Pro tip: automating your follow-up process, i.e. auto emails, after a user signs up is crucial to not only free up your time, but to also put systems in place in order to scale your business. So to connect to CRM, go to your Facebook page and go to Publishing Tools. On the Publishing Tools page, click Leads Setup under Leads Add Forms in the left sidebar. Search for your CRM provider in the field. As you can see, our email marketing platform is ConvertKit. There's no direct Facebook integration for ConvertKit, only via the paid service Zapier. If you have a Zapier account, simply click the Connect button to log into both your Zapier and your CRM account. So for us, that would be ConvertKit. So we signed into our Zapier account, we selected our Facebook Leads Ad account, which would be CourseEnvy, and then we selected our Facebook page, again, CourseEnvy. Finally, select the CRM form to subscribe your Facebook leads to instantly. So I created this form in my ConvertKit, that's my CRM, because I want to subscribe these leads to a specific list, because I have an automation email set up for that specific form. So once you have those selected, click the Turn on Zap button. MailChimp and Facebook. MailChimp is a CRM that does have a direct integration with Facebook, so you don't need to pay for a third-party service. So we'll search for MailChimp, click Connect. Once you click the Connect button for MailChimp on your Facebook page, you'll be prompted to log in and then click the Allow button via MailChimp. Select your lead ad form to subscribe your Facebook leads to instantly. So some best practices for lead generation ads: offer something for free. People love free stuff, Plus, this can serve as a way for you to provide value, build trust, and warm them up and introduce them to your product, service, and brand. Make your lead magnet offer exclusive and add a sense of urgency. Look at this BarkBox example. This week only, subscribe today, and your first box will get a free upgrade to our Double Deluxe BarkBox. So see, there's a sense of urgency there, this week only, and something free. Finally, you want to check out the best practices for creating lead ads via this Facebook link. Make sure to go to CourseEnvy.com for more helpful tips.